Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacy.
Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. I appreciate all of you. Thank you guys for the support so far. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a review on this wonderful low-cut wig. You guys requested for the review of this wig, and here we are. So this is me, this is the wig. Okay, when you get, I was actually talking while I was filming this, but the background noise was much, so I couldn't use it, and I'm talking. That's why I decided to do a voice over. So when you get this low-cut wig, now this is the perfect way to put it on. You will notice that there is a closure by that end. So when you put it on, the closure should face that way on the arc of your eyebrow. Use a concealer or foundation of your color, and then just apply on the closure part. Then go ahead and drag the baby hair, drag it out like a little bit to the front. Place it well, the back parts, place it well on your body so that the hair will look more natural. Okay, so this low-cut wig is a very easy wig to put on, a very easy wig to maintain. It can last as long as you maintain it. Okay, just use oil sheen, apply on it, trim down a little bit with time, and then it can last you as long as you want it to last for you. So for those of you that want to see the video tutorial of this wonderful low-cut wig, I will upload it soon. Just stay tuned, you'll see the video. And then for those that are yet to order for this wonderful low-cut wig, go ahead and order for it. We still have available for sales, very affordable. So if you want to order for this low-cut wig, go ahead and click on the link on my description box below and go ahead and order your low-cut wig. So to put it on is very simple. Just put it on, just wear it as if you're putting on a cap, normal cap, and then you're good to go. Just section it well, place the closure at the arc of your eyebrow. You can decide to wear it by the left or by the right, and then your wig is ready. So this is me putting on the low-cut wig. So cute, so beautiful, guys. Go ahead and order yours. So I'll be leaving you guys with the videos of some of my clients I've gotten so far on the wig. Go through the wig. If you have any question on the wig, drop it on the comment box below and I'll show attend to it. So bye guys.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, I say. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh.